how the saying goes. If you visited Florida on vacation, you may leave on probation, you come back on a violation. These sorts of things, when they rhyme, people think they're true, and it is kind of true. The good news is Florida is not as harsh on dirty urines as they used to be. I've been doing this for 29 years, so it's getting better. It's getting better because we in Florida have something called the alternative sanctioning programs for dirty urine violations. That means that you may not have to be arrested for this. They may just adjust your probation without even having to go to court and hire an attorney. It's a beautiful thing. Whether or not you're arrested for a dirty urine VOP, this is going to depend on the judge, though. The judge has to decide whether to let this slide with an alternative sanction, what we're talking about, or arrest you on the VOP. In Orange County, for example, if the judge lets the arrest slide and just does an alternative sanction, that still means you got to go get a drug eval, do the treatment they recommend on the drug eval. Still means you got to do a curfew probably for 3 months. Still means that you're going to have to attend AA meetings, NA meetings. But the good news is you're doing all this so that you don't go to jail for a VOP. You're doing this so you don't have a court date for a VOP. You don't have to hire an attorney on a VOP. It pains me. It pains me. They cut us out of this alternative sanction process, but it's a step in the right direction. People should not be punished so harshly for addiction type things. They should be treated rather than punished. So I like it. It's cutting me out, but I like it. For those of you, though, that want to fight, they should want to fight. And I like a good fight. I know that shocks you. You're going to need to retain an attorney to fight these things, and I will warn you up front, violation of probation hearings are a bit of a sham when it comes to dirty urine and positive drug tests because they throw scientific proof out the window and they will let a probation officer get away with murder on this stuff. Probation officers get to talk about chemistry and lab reports that they have no idea about. It is frustrating. It makes me boil. They have no right to do this. The law is wrong on this. The good news is we have our own chemist. We can actually beat these cases with good, solid scientific knowledge. This is beatable. If you want to fight it or you got arrested and you didn't get the alternative sanction, yeah, we can do this. No problem.